Luxury has always had a name, and for more than a century that name has been Rolls-Royce. But sometimes even perfection gets reimagined. Today, we're looking at something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn ONYX Edition. At first glance, it's clear this isn't an ordinary luxury convertible. The Dawn already represents one of the most elegant open-top cars ever built. But when ONYX Concept gets involved, elegance meets aggression in a way that feels almost cinematic. Standing in front of the car, the first thing that captures attention is the bold carbon fiber body kit. The front bumper looks sharper, deeper, and more sculpted than the standard. Massive air intakes and a redesigned splitter give the car a more powerful presence on the road. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille remains at the center, crowned by the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy. But surrounding it is a darker, more dramatic design language that transforms the personality of the vehicle. Move along the side of the car, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. ONYX Concept adds aggressive side skirts and massive 22-inch forged wheels that fill the arches perfectly. These wheels are not just large. They're designed to give the car a commanding stance that makes it look powerful, even when it's standing still. From the rear, the Dawn ONYX Edition looks even more dramatic. A custom carbon fiber rear diffuser and redesigned exhaust system add a sporty character that most people would never expect from a Rolls-Royce. Yet somehow, it still maintains that unmistakable luxury presence. But the true magic of the Dawn begins when the roof disappears. With the push of a button, the soft convertible roof folds away silently, transforming the car into one of the most elegant open-top machines ever created. Suddenly the world opens up around you, and the Dawn becomes something more than a car. It becomes an experience. Under the hood lies the heart of this masterpiece, a massive 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. In its standard form, this engine already produces incredible power. But with ONYX tuning, performance becomes even more impressive. The engine can deliver close to 700 horsepower, launching this ultra-luxury convertible from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. That's astonishing for a car of this size and comfort. Yet the Dawn doesn't chase speed like a supercar. Instead, it delivers power in the smoothest way imaginable. Acceleration feels effortless, almost silent, as if the car simply glides forward with unlimited strength. Inside the cabin, the world changes completely. Opening the door reveals an interior that feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car. Every surface is covered in handcrafted leather. Every detail is stitched by skilled artisans who spend hours perfecting each piece. The seats are incredibly soft and supportive, designed for long journeys in absolute comfort. Exotic wood veneers and carbon fiber trims blend modern sportiness with classic luxury craftsmanship. One of the most magical features is the Starlight headliner. Tiny fiber optic lights embedded into the roof create the illusion of a beautiful night sky above the passengers. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin, while a premium sound system fills the space with crystal clear music. Even at highway speeds, the interior remains incredibly quiet, creating an atmosphere that feels calm and refined. But what truly makes the ONYX Edition special is exclusivity. These cars are not mass-produced. Each one can be customized with unique colors, materials, and design details chosen by the owner. That means no two Dawn ONYX cars are exactly the same. Some feature deep matte finishes, others shine in stunning metallic colors that reflect light like liquid metal. Every build becomes a personal masterpiece. And of course, exclusivity comes with a price. Depending on customization, the Rolls-Royce Dawn ONYX Edition can cost well over $500,000. But for buyers in this world, price isn't the point. What they're purchasing is rarity, craftsmanship, and a level of luxury that very few cars on Earth can match. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Dawn ONYX Edition isn't just transportation. It's a statement of style, power, and ultimate sophistication. A car designed not just to be driven, but to be experienced. And in a world full of luxury cars, this one reminds us why Rolls-Royce still sits at the very top.